What's up, YouTube? It's Chris with Murphy Firearms Training. I've got a PSA lower here, and this was a blemished lower. Got it for a really good deal. And I just wanted to show you what they consider blemished. So I've looked this over, and I'm just going to show you a bunch of close-ups here of this lower. So this is the right-hand side of the lower here. Here's the top. Got a little flashing here. Okay. Little piece of paint down in there. Not really sure why there's paint in there. A little paint pen, a little orange paint pen. Okay. Totally assembled lower, completed lower. Okay. In here in a magazine well was a little bit of debris. Just a little bit of debris there. This is as it comes out of the package. Right hand side here. Okay. Again. Look it over. Real nice. Take your time. Check out the grip. It's a cheap, it's a cheap, we all know this is the cheap, basic grip and stock. But look it over here from this angle. Okay. Look it over from the bottom here. Can't really get this on camera. The front of the mag well here. Take a look at that. It's, I can't find it. Like, where's the blemish? It's not discolored. It's not scratched. It's not dented. I don't know. I can't find it. Actually, did a trigger pull test on this one. It's pretty good trigger pull on it, to be honest with you. A little better than average for a just mil stock AR-15. So anyway, they were selling these for real cheap, and I mean real cheap. And I'm not a huge fan of this basic grip and this basic stock, but I was actually going to put a 22 upper on this. Currently have the 22 on a really nice padded stock with a Hogue overmolded grip, and I'm going to put that on here and put my 450 Bushmaster on the nice one, because I've been trading them back and forth, and I figured for what they were charging it was worth it. So anyway, I don't know, guys. It's a blemish, but I don't see the blemish. So because this is not enough to bother me, I'll actually take a little piece of sandpaper and clean that up. That's the only thing I could find wrong with it, was just a little bit of flashing here. And I've seen that on products that weren't blemished. So anyway, I don't know. I wish you guys could tell me what's wrong with it, why it was a blemish. But I'm pretty psyched about having it. So anyway, yeah, it's a blemish. See how it functions. I'm sure it functions fine. Again, this hard plastic butt plate on a big bore like a 458 or a 450 Bushmaster might not be so comfortable, but on 300 Blackout, 223, 22, so what? Nobody's going to notice that. It's just, there's almost no recoil to those cartridges. So anyway, Blemished PSA PA15 multi-cal lower. Wanted to show it to you guys, see if you could find the blemish. If you find the blemish, leave it in the comments. I'd be interested to know. And if you have questions about this lower or anything related to it, just let me know. Just as a reminder, folks, this is not a functioning firearm. This is a part of a firearm, and nothing in this video is construed to be a sales pitch. I bought this with my own money, and of course, nothing in this video is to tell you how to modify or change this firearm in any way to make it fire faster or do anything differently. Just showing off a lower that I purchased with my own money, trying to see if someone can tell me where the blemish is. I'd appreciate it if you find it. Let me know. Thanks, guys.